Every day in the USA, people find themselves in court.
I'm here now, Your Honor. I talked to Mr. Smith. He says he would prefer to represent himself, so if I could, I would be sucking chair with him. He says it's too complex for me to understand, but I would still agree to be sucking chair for him.
Okay. Well, I don't believe that Mr. Smith is able to represent himself, counsel, so I'm not going to have him represent himself.
Very well, Your Honor.
They're looking to bring doctors into the situation. I don't need doctors. You don't need the people don't need to spend the money on a big court cost because they need a psychological evaluation, whether you order it or not. I don't think it's very feasible.
Okay. All right, sir, as of now, you're the one that's charged with this matter, and
Is the charge piracy?
piracy? No, it's stolen property and habitual offender second offense notice.
What did they steal from me?
Sir, it's alleged that you stole property, and I will tell you what it is. It's alleged that you stole a box truck from.
And the maker of that truck is Mac. Do you know I may be the owner of Mac Corporation? And he stole the truck from me?
It's alleged that you stole it from Dilgard Frozen Foods in Fort Wayne,
That's not
Indiana.
we're talking about Mac. What about Mac Corporation? Is there a representative for him that will take responsibility on who made that truck? The design of that truck?
Well, as of now, they are not here, sir. Been evaluated by the Center for Forensic Psychiatry yet?
I asked him, Your Honor, and you agreed to ask him. He said nobody came by to evaluate him, Your Honor. Is that right, Mr. Smith?
Your Honor, I am not his client.
She's saying, have you been evaluated, Mr. Smith?
I'm sure I've been evaluated. Most of my life I've been evaluated, and the doctors are a big problem in my life, the psychiatrists. I'm not looking to make the United States rich on medication. Let me think of the word I'm looking for. I don't want to be a guinea pig. I'm not looking to make them rich at my own disposal. I'm not looking to donate organs. I'm not looking to get any kind of resuscitation. I'm not an experiment for the government. That's what I'd like to say. My body is my own. And I would like to shave and cut my hair possibly before I do represent myself in a real court. I think the court has to get their act together. Personally, that's what I believe.
Okay. You are entitled to your own beliefs, sir. That is totally fine. Have you been interviewed by anybody, sir, at any point since your last court date?
Have I been interviewed by like who? Who you mean?
Anybody.
There was a girl here a while back asking questions about a week or so, about a week or so ago.
So, counsel, I was just trying to ascertain if that was in fact the Center for Forensic Psychiatry or not.
Your Honor.
Yes.
What happened in my life? There's a lot of issues I'd like to talk to somebody about, but not the local coffee shop owner. There's some issues I'd like to speak about, but not in a room with other talking and not with people that don't want to hear the truth. It seems like every time I want to tell the truth, people don't want to listen. Your Honor, there's some new designs of products that I have that I'd like to claim as my own.
Okay, well, don't share those with anybody right now. And your attorney can speak with you regarding that, okay?
Okay, I never hired an attorney, by the way. Yeah, we were talking about the medical, excuse me.
I understand. They're supposed to be getting you evaluated, Mr. Smith. If they haven't evaluated you yet, there's nothing I can really do.
Yeah, no, that's fine. Then leave me here because taking blood to take from someone is uncool, and I'm done giving. I never wanted to give blood.
Okay,
I need my blood. It's like oil in a car. I don't work well when they keep taking my blood.
okay. Well, let's hopefully they won't do that anymore.
Yeah. Like tell them, chill out a little bit with the psychiatry. I know they like to make money, but I don't want to support the drug companies to bring me down in life. I'd rather just sit where I'm at, sleep well, eat well, and let my health take care of itself.
Very well. Okay, we'll see what the judge says. Okay.
I'm not threatened here in this place either.
Okay.
I have a good roommate. He's very generous. I'm getting some coffee, which is good. But
Okay.
I'm not in a rush, but I'm not usually a bearded man.
Yeah, well, hopefully you can get shaved soon.
I've asked, they do know I want to shave, but I'm not persisting on anything. I'm trying to be as good as I can, but
Yeah, well, that's what I want you to keep doing. Don't cause any problems.
I was on the train. It was hectic for a while because I actually thought my girlfriend was in the threat of being raped because I did go to the border a long time ago. I was very concerned, but I'm 99.9% sure she's okay. So that was a big concern to me. So
Understood.
now I haven't been working. I don't have a paycheck. I do have a disability claim, a claim that they allowed me about 6 or 8 months ago, somewhere around there. And that's my income, but I can't slide my card, my cash, if I don't have one.
Yeah. Now you get paid. You get a check every month from disability.
Excuse me?
You get a check every month from disability.
Yes, it's been about 6 months. It's about $1,900 a month, so I can survive on
All right,
that.
Mr. Smith. Okay.
Mr. Smith, hold on, Counsel, you and your client are not in a breakout room, so I just want to make sure that you're aware of that.
Your Honor, we've done, Your Honor. We're ready.
So yes, I could survive on a disability claim. They allow me 30 credits.
Don't worry about that, Mr. Smith. Don't worry about that right now.
Okay, hold on, please, hold on. Okay, let's go on the record in the matter of the state of Michigan versus Kevin Smith, 231353. Next, I'm gonna, Mr. Shaj, I'm gonna have you put your appearance on the record for a moment, Mr. Smith. So if you can,
Good morning, Your Honor. Omar Shahjar on behalf of the people, PH 6332.
thank you. And Mr. Taylor, your appearance, please.
Good morning again, Your Honor. Edward Taylor, P57166, appearing on behalf of Mr. Smith.
This is
All
the
right.
27th district, correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir. And your name, please, for the
that's
record.
good.
Your name, Mr. Smith. State your
Excuse
name,
me?
please. State your name, please.
Oh, Kevin Francis Smith.
Okay, thank you. So today was the date scheduled for a review because Mr. Smith was ordered to be referred for competency evaluation and criminal responsibility. What I'm going to state is that he's only going to be sent over for, the court's going to rescind its order regarding criminal responsibility evaluation as the first step is competency examination. And also pursuant to MCL 768.20A, the appropriate avenue for an assertion of criminal responsibility evaluation would be at the Third Circuit Court if Mr. Smith is deemed competent and bound over for trial. So
Your Honor,
what the
may I
court's
say
going to
something?
do, okay, yes, Mr. Taylor.
Yeah, what did you say? I didn't hear you, Your Honor.
May I say some, one more thing?
Hold on, Mr. Smith, hold on.
I do
Mr.
make
Smith,
computers,
Mr. Smith,
Lenovo
Mr.
computers.
Smith, please hold on. Mr. Smith, just one moment, please, just one moment. What was your question, Mr. Taylor?
It's my understanding he hadn't been evaluated yet.
So my biggest thing is I designed some computers, Lenovo, small letters are, there's a little R, a little L and a capital L. Through this computer, the capital can hear me. They see me and hear me. So I don't know why I just can't get a shade. I mean, I don't, what their problem is at the capital. You know,
Right.
there's a lot of issues, but you know, they get a shave every morning too.
Okay, counsel, I'm sorry, Mr. Smith, have you even been evaluated yet?
Evaluate, well, I'm fine. I don't know what the evaluation is for. I could use a shave though. I mean, if we put everything in the right perspective here, I could use a shave and a haircut. I mean, I've asked for one, must have been.
Okay. All right, the court will note that this matter,
I mean, I'm representing myself looking like a
Hold on, sir.
lumberjack.
Mr. Smith,
Okay.
Mr. Smith. You
Yes,
gotta
go ahead.
listen, Mr. Smith. Listen, please.
I need you to not interrupt right now because we can't record more than one person, okay? The court's going to note that on September 28th, the review was held and, the defendant had not yet been evaluated by the Center for Forensic Psychiatry. We adjourned this matter to October 12th. October 12th, the report was not yet received and we're not even sure if he was evaluated. Mr. Smith, please stop interrupting. And then
Does someone have egg on their face? And someone do something wrong with the medication that they're just trying to do something that
Mr. Smith,
Okay, counsel, I just muted your client so that he's not interrupting the court.
Mr.
The court
Smith,
will also.
you
Mr.
gotta be
Taylor,
quiet, Mr. Smith.
Mr. Taylor, I muted your client so that we don't have that problem right now. And so the court is going to note that I don't think that your client's been evaluated yet. So
No,
we will set this matter, we'll adjourn this to December 7th. That'll be a few more weeks.
Okay, very well. And I'll try to get my investigator and find out what's going on before he haven't got evaluated, Your Honor.
That'd be fantastic. Thank you.
Okay, December 7th.
And
at what
just so you
time?
know, 10 a.m. and counsel, I'm going to rescind the order regarding criminal responsibility.
Thank you. That's beautiful. December 7th at 10. I got it. Hey, Mr. Smith, I'll get by and see you, okay? Okay.
Okay, well, hold on. Counsel, I muted him, so I have to unmute him so he can respond to you. Okay, so Mr. Smith, your attorney is gonna try to get in touch with you, okay?
Yes.
Yes, but of course.
All right,
Okay, bonding conditions are continued. We'll see you
All right,
back on
thank you,
December
Your Honor.
7th.
December 7th at 10 o'clock. I got it. Thank you.
December 7th at 10?
Yes, that's our next hearing.
That's perfect. I have all the time in the world.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
Thanks.